Hi, today I'm running CAT S53 and I'll show you how to change icons shape with X icon changer app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter the X icon changer app. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app. And now let's select one from these available applications. We could change just all of them if you want. So let's change the YouTube music, for example, icon. Here you could rename it if you want to do that. Just tap on this edit icon. Here you got the library section with all of the default icons. You could use them. Also we could use photo from our device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. So let's select one from these available icons. Tap to the right upper corner to OK. Then we should wait a couple of seconds to skip the ads. After that, click add automatically. Now you could go to desktop or to change the next icon. So let's check the new icon here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.